Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. And my goal with these videos is to help you understand how we can apply technical analysis to understand where the price might be going, the price of the stock, so that you can do your own research and make your own decisions. Because I am still not a financial advisor, if you can believe it or not. Okay, so Palantir closed up 21 cents at 0.91% and closed at 23.29. Post-market, we seem to be down either 1 cent or more than 1 cent. So I don't trust this number now. So basically, yeah, you could think, well, 21 cents, wow, this is great. The stock is rebounding. Well, maybe not. If we draw a nice resistance line starting from June 29th, where we basically were at the top, not the all-time high, but at a local top, then if we draw this down, look at this. So the pullback on July 6th was just that. It pulled back and confirmed by touching this resistance that the resistance was still in play, and then we went down. And now we have been having 2 days of pullback, but today, the second day, we are touching this resistance here. And I would almost bet, that this is still going down. I would be surprised if this breaks the resistance on Monday. It's possible, but I would be surprised. And if we look at the indicators that we have, look at this. Stochastic is at 19. Stochastic is at 19. So this is showing the strength in the stock. The strength is at 20%. Strength is at 20%. So this is very, very low. So even though there's a little bit of a movement up, that movement has nothing behind it. This is why we have a thumbs down, because any stochastic value under 50, we assign it a thumbs down. For the MACD crossed over on June 30th. Yes, on June 30th. So this is why we have one thumb down. We have a thumbs up because the two lines are above 0. They are positive at 0.04 and 0.52. That's the only reason we have this here. And I seem to have lost my thumbs down for the DMI. So this is the thumb down for the DMI because the DMI is clearly bearish. So nothing surprising here. We are just having a little bit of a pullback with Palantir. Let's just go to the 1 hour chart just in case we see something special. The only thing special that we see, okay, this is the opening at 9:30, so pretty much even Steven in terms of the wicks at the top and wick at the bottom. So the market did not know what it was going to do. It was basically in neutral. Then we have a significantly big or relatively bigger green candle here. Okay, I buy that. Another one here, and then we touched this resistance from an hourly perspective. We broke outside of it and then went back down. Then went sideways, and then we broke it. So it's broken from a hourly perspective. Stochastic is at 52, not super high. So, this is not a big breakout. And in terms of the DMI is clearly not buying that yet. The stock would need to make a bit more upward strides for the DMI to decide, yeah, I'm going to believe you. So I'm like the DMI. I love Palantir. I think it's a great company. I think that within the next 5 years, we are going to see some great things with Palantir. But short term, looking at what I am looking at now, I have a hard time seeing how we cannot reach $21. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before and I'm going to be wrong again. But my goal here with these videos is always to tell you what I think. And you don't have to act on what I think. In fact, you should not act on what I think. You should process what I think and use it to fine-tune your own thinking, and use my thinking as maybe one ingredient in your recipe, and then bake your own cake. So this is why I am doing these things, and also it's helping me to think out loud about what I am seeing, instead of just looking at it and having all the thoughts go in my head and trying to follow them. So now I have to speak, so I have to process what I see and everything. So it's helping me a little bit. So in summary, I'm not impressed with Palantir, and I think it's going to go down. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. You can become a member of my YouTube channel. So this has started this week. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have a TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Monday, but we might be talking also sooner, because I do a summary weekly recap video every Saturday or Sunday. So you should see a video somewhere from me. So if you want to be sure not to miss it, please subscribe, and then you will see it in your feed. So I'm just going to tell you, à la prochaine.